I'm here to explain my new project, that is my project page test. So first I want to explain about the form.xml file, the configuration file where we'll include all the dependencies required for our project. So I have included the plugins needed in our project using build tag. All the Maven plugins have included, and the dependencies, that is org.testng dependencies and Selenium Java dependencies. This is about pom.xml file. And coming to the pages, I have created a package called pages. In that pages I have in that pages have created different pages, that is Diwali page, food page, home page, news page, technology page. And coming to Diwali page, this is a package called pages. So I have imported all the necessary classes required for these particular page: the WebDriver, web element, find by, annotation, catchy lookup class, page factory, and how, expected conditions, WebDriver, wait, by class, and duration class, list class. So I have created a class called Diwali page. Here I have created an instance for WebDriver and the WebDriver wait class, and I have created an instance for Diwali page, that is Diwali page, and I have passed an argument WebDriver driver to this particular uh, instance, and this dot driver equal to driver, this dot wait equal to new WebDriver wait. Whenever we need our driver to wait particular amount of time, this wait instance is used. And I have used here page factory. In page factory class have used init elements method, that is init elements method. I've passed arguments driver comma this particular page, web page. So I've used @find by annotation. Using @find by annotation, page factory provides different annotations to locate web elements in a web page. Have used @find by annotations using how and using words, keywords. The how is equal to how dot class name. Using Diwali top section, have included catchy lookup annotation because whenever I want to locate this particular element, there is no need to locate each and every time whenever I needed this particular element. The web the memory it catches the memory of that particular web element um, in the memory. So this is a web element, Diwali image element, and I have used @find by annotation. I have used different locators and the locator strategies to locate particular web element and the different values. So I have used here, and I have written the web element is written if we want to know a particular image is present on the web page or not. I have used return type as string, web element, and all the strings and all. So string means it will return the text displayed on that particular Diwali page heading element. So I have used web element string, web element string. These are the return types. So I have used another method, public void back button. Here I want to click on that back button element. I want to wait particular amount of time, and until that condition is met, that is visibility of elements located by .id, this particular id. So this is about Diwali page. And coming to the food page, so here also same, have used different classes, imported different classes, so that that classes are used in the particular page. So I've used same page factory. I've used page factory provides different annotations. This page factory is an approach in POM, that is page object model. Page object model, in the sense, we whenever we want web pages, each web page to be included in the whole the website. So these are the pages, each web page locating to a complete website. So this is another page, that is food page. These are the elements have located and the return types, and have used different methods and the actions to be performed on these web elements. These are the methods. So this is about food page. And coming to the home page, this is also same, have used different classes and annotations, and I have created instance for classes and all. So this is also same, have used same. This is also same news page. This is a news page. I've used at the rate catchy lookup annotation because I want, if a particular web element is present, if I want that particular element is used whenever I need it, there is no need to locate that element every time, each and every time. So I've used at the rate catchy lookup annotation. This will not work out if this will not work out if the address of that particular locator will change. This will not change, it will show an error that so we cannot locate that element if the address is keep on changing, the locator name, locator value changes. So these are the return types. And coming to the test pages, these are the test pages that I have included, and I have used here at the rate before method. The at the rate before method annotation is used whenever we want a particular statements to be executed before each test case. So this at the rate after method used, this is an annotation where we want to execute set of statements after each test method. So here I've used system.setProperty method. This is used whenever WebDriver is used to locate the Chrome driver executable files on the system, and that interacts with the web browser. This is used for to locate Chrome driver executable files on the system. I have created an instance of the Chrome driver, and I have navigated to the particular web page, and I've created an instance for home page and the Diwali page. So this is after method. And at the rate test method, this is a Diwali page. Have used expected heading and actual heading. Have used Diwali page dot Diwali page heading. We have used image 2. So you have used different pages and the methods that I have included in that particular pages. So I have used assert class to know whether the particular expected heading and the actual heading equals or not. If expected and the actual does not match, then the message heading test does not match will be printed on the console. This is a asset class is used whenever we want a particular condition is true or false, whenever we want to test a expected heading and the actual heading matches or not. This is about the asset class. And have used for loop here, and for loop, in that for loop I have used asset class again, asset through method Diwali page to Diwali item images of I. At that particular index I, the image is displayed or not, we are checking here. I am checking here. So if not, it will print the message here. And I have used if condition, if I less than 3, actual order plus or equal to Diwali page dot Diwali card name of I plus comma, else it will print this one. And I have used asset equal again, and I have used asset class. This is actual order of that names, and this is actual price order. And I've used same asset equals method, expected price order, actual price order equals, then the test case passes, otherwise Diwali items prices or order does not match will be printed on the console. This is about the Diwali page test. This is food page test. Here also same have used different annotations in testng, which is test next generation. So I've used different annotations from testng. And at the rate test method, this is the test method for this page. And I didn't mention any priority value because the methods will execute simultaneously. So here also I've used same expected and the actual, and I've used as a class to execute whether the expected and the actual matches or not. This is about this page. And coming to home page, this is also same. Have used same at the rate before method, after method annotations. And this is about news page. uh, this is the news page, and the expected and the actual values will be compared here. And coming to the last page, that is technology page. They have imported here pages.technology page. This is because the technology page is in the pages package. So I've imported home page also here. I've imported all the necessary annotations, classes, and here, and I've created an instance for this technology page also, and an instance of the technology page, and same have included different test methods that need to be executed. So this is about this pages, and when coming to the execution, I'll execute this testng.xml file. uh, I'm running this particular and have used parallel classes, and thread count is 5. Parallel attribute is equal to classes. According to the classes, it will execute. This is the execution of the test cases, and all the test case passed. So I end up with total test run 8, and the pass 8, failure 0, skips is 0. And thank you once again.